Good morning. This is the lecture on adding real numbers. This is section 1.5. Okay, now you have to be careful when you're adding real numbers and you have negatives. I know you all know what 2 plus 2 is, but especially when we get into subtracting negatives, it gets confusing. Okay, so using the number line, let's solve some problems. Note to begin on the number line with the first number or addend. 1 and 2. So we're going to start at 2. Let's switch to a different color to make it more obvious what we're doing. Okay, we're going to start at 2, and we add 4. So we count 4 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this actually is 6, right? Because we had 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 6. All right, now when we do this with a negative number, we start at the 2, but when we add a negative number, we have to go in the negative direction. So I have 1, 2, and then I have to go 2 more to subtract 4. Well, now I'm down at negative 2. So let's wait. Okay, so my answer for number 1 was 6. For number 2 is negative 2. For number 3 here, now notice this time we're starting down at negative 7. So we're starting there. And if we add negative 5, we still go in the negative direction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's my final answer, which is actually negative 12. Okay. For 4 plus 3, hi there, I keep forgetting. Basically, we're going to have a number line. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one is 5. Okay. We start at 4. And we add 3, so we continue in the same direction. 1, 2, 3, in the positive direction, 3. So this is actually 7. So the answer to this one is 7. All right, note when both add-ins have the same sign, you add the answers and keep the sign. In other words, 2 positive numbers produce a positive and 2 negatives would produce a negative. All right.